Hello, you are welcome. Today we are discussing blood groups. So we are saying, before we go to the blood groups, let's look at what is blood. So we are saying blood is a fluid connective tissue. Okay, so in blood, there are red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Okay, so what are the functions of blood? Okay, saying number one, transport oxygen from the lungs to the tissues and carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lungs for excretion. Number two, transport heat produced in active tissues to less active tissues. Number three, transport hormones secreted by endocrine glands to their target organs. Number four, saying transport protective substances like antibodies to the areas of infections and many more functions. So blood, the functions, the transportation, homeostasis, and also protection. Okay, there are many more functions. Okay, so blood groups, you are saying people have different types of antigens on the surface of red blood cells. These antigens are inherited and determines the person's blood group. Okay, so antigens, these are proteins that may stimulate antibodies. Okay, so the blood groups are as follows. There's blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. Okay, so now blood group A. So blood group A has antigen A and has antibody B. So as a donor, they are compatible with A and AB. As a recipient, they are compatible with A and O. Okay. Then blood group B has antigen B and antibody A, supposed to be A there. As a donor, they are compatible with B and AB. Okay. As a recipient, they are compatible with B and O. Okay. Blood group AB. So blood group AB has antigen A and B. They make neither antibodies A and B. Okay, so there are no antibodies to react. As a donor, they are compatible with A only. They can only donate to A only because they have antigens which is A and B. Okay, as a recipient, they are compatible with the O groups, that's A, B, and O. Why? Because they don't make antibodies that will react. Okay. Then you have blood group O. Blood group O has no antigens, okay, that will trigger the antibodies to react. Therefore, will not stimulate antibodies A and B. Okay, so blood group O, they are universal donor, meaning they can donate to blood group A, they can donate to blood group B, they can donate to blood group A, B, and O itself. As a recipient, they are compatible with the O only. Okay. Because of the antibodies A and B, they cannot receive blood from A, B, and AB. Okay. So now, let's just look at a recap. We are saying blood group A can donate blood to blood group A itself and blood group AB. Remember, AB is a universal recipient. Okay, because they don't have antibodies that can react. As a recipient, they can receive blood from blood group A and blood group O. Remember, blood group O is a universal donor. Blood group B can donate blood to blood group B and blood group AB, and can receive blood from blood group B itself and blood group O. Okay. Blood group AB can only donate to blood group AB. Okay, because of the antigens A and B. Okay, they can receive blood from AB itself, A, B, and O. They are universal recipient. Okay, because they do not have antibodies that will react. Then blood group O. Blood group O can donate to blood group O, can donate to blood group A, can donate to blood group B, and can donate to blood group AB. They are universal donor because they do not have antigens that will trigger the antibodies to react. Receiving as a recipient, blood group O can only receive blood from blood group O because they have antibodies A and B. So meaning A cannot donate to group O, B cannot donate to group O, and AB cannot donate to group O because they will react. Okay, so remember, apart from the blood groups, there is also need to check the rhesus factor. Okay, which I've not discussed here. Alright, until next time, but remember, this channel is not a substitute of school and the hospital. Until next time, bye bye.